Hey, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be talking about this Canon imageCLASS 6030w. It's a small footprint laser printer for your desk, for your home use, or for a small office. We're going to get into it. We're going to unbox it. So stay tuned. And before you get away, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let's get into it. Now, once we've taken it out of the box, the first thing we're going to have to do, of course, is remove all the packing material. Once you open it and take a look at it, you'll have to remove the print cartridge, and there's packing material involved, and we'll go through that right now. Unpacking is it's very simple. You're going to open the top panel, pull out all the packing material. One of them, of course, is for the cartridge. Once you've got that out, you're going to remove the cardboard insert, and over here you have your in-cartridge release. So you're going to need to release I suggest that you make sure that the cartridge is upright when you pull this. This exposes the ink. Your printer sensor, I think I showed you that. And be very careful when you're holding the cartridge. You have a drum here, and you want to keep that drum from being in contact with any surface. After you removed all parts of the cartridge, push it back in place. Close your top panel. And remove any other packing material. You'll notice that there's some in the front here for your feed wheels. Can you see that? There you go. Now, as you can see, this is the back of the printer. As you can see up here, we have the printer connection to the print computer directly. You're going to need to plug that in the initial setup if you want to use either Wi-Fi or direct connection. A little lower, you have your power supply connection, power cord, the connection to your AC. Let's get connected, and then we'll download the software and get started. Now, setting this up is not that hard. It comes with, if you're going to use Bluetooth, it comes with a cable to connect to your printer, and that is what you're going to need to do the initial setup. You go right to the web page or use the CD, download the drivers, and follow the directions. It'll take you step by step. One of the biggest reasons why this printer is returned is because during the setup process, it's not very intuitive, and it will tell you next do this and next do this, and then it doesn't work and you don't know why, and you've got to go back to the process of doing it again, because sometimes for some reason this printer seems to have a hard time with its initial setup. In fact, all Canon printers seem to have a problem that I've noticed with initial setup. Once you've just installed it, done the drivers like that, then you'll need to go to your control panel, install the device. It's not intuitive, like I said. And then once you've done that, once you've added the printer and found it on your web page, you'll be good to go. And like I said, it works really, really nice. Very simple. So I'm going to click print, and we're using the Wi-Fi option, and let's see how fast. From the time I hit the computer, bam, we got a nice print going. So bottom line, I picked up this on a lightning deal on Amazon for $45. It's currently going for $79, and just watch for your deals. Please use the link that I'm going to supply to you when you go look at the printer. It helps support the channel. Now, just to give you some quick facts about the printer, it's 19 pages per minute up to. and it can hold up to 150 sheets of paper. And the print cartridge, when fully loaded, is about 1,500 pages. It comes with a starter cartridge, which they say will run between 300 and 500 prints. But, you know, at $25 to replace the cartridge, it's running about at the time of this video, that makes this printer very inexpensive to use when you're just printing black and white printing. So anyway, thanks for watching. Watch out for our other reviews, our other tech news, and everything else that Grandpa's talking about. So don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll be back with more tech reviews, more tech solutions, and more tech everything. This is your Grandpa Casey out. You have a great day, and thanks for watching.